Do you want to learn face yoga but have no idea where to start? Or maybe you've tried it and felt like you were just making more wrinkles? Stop right there. The biggest mistake beginners make is over-scrunching, trying to lift the cheeks while wrinkling the forehead. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate one-on-one guide to doing it right.
Welcome to Daniele Lima Method.
Before we touch a single muscle, we need to talk about your foundation, your posture. Sit up straight. Imagine a string pulling the top of your head to the ceiling. If you are hunched, you are blocking the blood flow to your face. Now, take your favorite oil or serum. Warm it between your palms. Apply it gently. Never, ever exercise on dry skin. We want the muscles to move, but we don't want the skin to tug. Breathe and deeply through your nose. Let's prepare the fascia. The forehead smoother. Our first move is the forehead smoother. Place both hands horizontally on your forehead. Apply enough pressure so your skin cannot move. Now try to lift your eyebrows against your hands. Relax. Let's do this together. Focus on the resistance. You should feel the muscle working, but your skin should remain perfectly flat under your hands. We will perform 3 sets. Remember, if you see a wrinkle forming, adjust your hands. Control is everything here. Exercise number 2. The Eye Awakener. Now, let's target the under eye area. Make a C shape with your fingers and place them around your eyes. Squint your lower eyelids only. It's a tiny movement. If you feel your upper lid moving, stabilize it with your fingers. Let's do this for 3 minutes. This exercise strengthens the orbicularis oculi, preventing that tired look. If you feel a slight burn, that's perfect. That's your muscle waking up. If you are feeling these muscles working for the first time, imagine what a personalized plan could do for your specific face shape. Don't guess with your beauty. Click the link in the description to explore my private mentorships and get a routine designed just for you. Which of these moves was the hardest to isolate? Comment below, and remember, if you train your body at the gym, train your face the same way.